Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Blood group recognition and fitness diagnostics using fingerprint analysis is an emerging field that combines biometrics with health diagnostics. This concept leverages the unique patterns found in fingerprints to detect various health-related information, including blood groups and fitness levels. Today, we are going to meet a team of young innovators who have developed an efficient and cost-effective method for diagnostics. So welcome team, welcome to the show.
Hi, sir.
Hi sir, we are team Mavericks. I am Rakesh Manpodi, Swayam and my teammates Mansa Bachu and Harshvardhani and Sagar and Vaishnavi sir.
Okay, great. Good to know about you guys. So now let's get to know about your work. So before we get to the work, let's understand the problem that you addressed. So what was the problem statement of yours and what did it demand from you?
Okay, the main problem statement is blood group recognition using fingerprints, sir. The main thing which we have started this is in our first year, our college actually had a blood test in our college, sir, for giving a small blood test for our ID cards check, sir. In that, there are many people which we have actually noticed of who are afraid of needles and afraid of hand picking, and these are all inconvenient methods, sir. So we actually wanted to give a method which could be something more useful and without no pain and more invasive methods, sir. So this is the main theme of our.
Okay, so coming up with a method which is convenient, non-invasive, and still is able to perform as well as the other conventional method available right now in the diagnostics field. So that is what you are aiming at, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's come to the solution part of yours. What exactly did you come up with?
Yeah, actually, the main thing of ours is blood group recognition using fingerprint only, sir. But after joining into Smart India Hackathon, we actually did more research on it of how to relate it to sports and fitness, and we found some of the research papers which clearer to a problem statement, sir. So the main thing which we have got is we got as a solution is we actually used some ML and DL techniques, so machine learning and deep learning techniques for this problem. And we have collected various data sets of real-time data sets, not something which we have imported from Google. We actually took all the things, all the fingerprints from the people around us there, sir. And we have trained it in our algorithms with various algorithms, and we have opted the best among those, sir.
So what was your sample size? How many fingerprints were you able to collect and put this into your database?
100, sir. We actually took only 100. As this is only a prototype thing.
Okay, understood. So now let us try to understand how does it exactly work.
Yeah, this device actually is like a normal biometrics, like how you if like attendance, if you are log in and log out, there is some fingerprint biometrics like that. There is also a biometrical device and an autonomous device.
Okay, so if you can explain, if I have to go through this particular test, how exactly will I go through? If you can explain to me as a viewer or as a patient maybe, how do I use it exactly and what happens in the process?
So here we can place the fingerprint, sir.
Okay.
It will capture the device and it will compare the algorithms and it will give the according to it, sir.
This is the display screen, sir. Here everything like the blood group and also the various parameters are displayed here, sir. We have actually integrated to a web Flask application.
So all one needs to do is put his or her finger or a thumb there, and then the device works and gives all the output that is required. So what happens exactly when the device is given an input of a fingerprint?
So when we place the fingerprint on this device, sir, it will capture our fingerprint in a grayscale image, which will be captured using this sensor. And after capturing, it will check with the algorithms which we have written in the Flask application, and it will check the according to the data sets which we provided. According to it, like we have provided the all blood group samples in application, sir. So it will check and it will compare and it will use, sir.
Okay, so if I may ask, how do we validate this particular thing? Like, is it really something that works? Because we've been using invasive methods and actually taking some blood out and making tests in the blood from the blood itself. So right now we are not using any blood, just the fingerprints. So can the fingerprint be an alternative to blood? So have we had some kind of validation on that part of it?
Yes, sir, we have actually gone through various research papers and also us ourselves validated through a comparison, sir. Like in our ID card, like we have a blood test using a normal traditional method, sir. And we have tried with this also, sir. We got a same group, sir.
Okay, so any endorsement from any medical expert or any diagnostic specialist which would have given you some more confidence in your work?
We have only checked with ourselves, sir. Like we have trained data set and checked with ourselves.
Okay, so while you were working on this particular model in the SIH, so what was the feedback from your mentors and the judges who came to came for the judging rounds?
Yes, sir. The mentors and the evaluators actually said this was a very good idea, but this needs a more and more repetition, more and more data, sir. This is the only feedback we got, sir.
So right from the very beginning, the manner in which you were going about this particular solution, so they were okay with it, or they had some inputs which made you change certain things or something like that?
Actually, as we have started initially said that our original idea is only blood group, sir. The evaluator just extended our idea with like metabolism, speed, coordination, power, sir.
Okay, so you're telling me that you started with just the blood group recognition thing, and then it went on to cover some more areas. So that's very interesting. So can you please elaborate on what else can this device do apart from figuring out the blood group?
Yes, sir. According to our research, what we have identified is a fingerprint does not only gives the blood group but also gives various parameters like a person's coordination levels, a person's muscle power, a person's strength, and also Tyler's diet plan also, sir. Tyler's diet plan.
So have you tried these parameters, these test results in real life, in whatever small number it might be?
Yes, sir. We actually tried ourselves, sir. And also we tried with other people around us in our college as well as there during our SIH times.
So how were the results? Did you find them accurate? And were the other people also convinced with the results that you came out with?
And results were very accurate and according to our test, we got that the people's our device answer is and our device output and the people's original test is very accurate, sir.
Okay, so it's very heartening to hear that you not only applied this to this fingerprinting to blood test, but you carried it on and solved other problems also. You aimed at other things also. That's nice, and the results were also very positive and validated by your own experiments. Wonderful. So now tell us something about your experience at SIH. How did that go?
Sir, that was a superb experience, superb memory, sir, because they have teached us what we know. Because we came from a normal college, and we know that how idea we have to look at. So we have came to know only blood group recognition, sir. But they have told that using the fingerprints, how many things we can do. That gives us a more boosting, sir.
Like they asked us to find out and like look at things in a different manner, sir. As you know, we are from a normal college, and other teams were all from the universities and IITs like that, sir. We actually got to know and learn a lot of things from them, and also the evaluators actually helped us a lot. They asked us to look, no, don't look the things very normal. Try to look and extend your ideas. Come out of the box and look at various aspects. Like how can you get this? Like how can you relate? How can you opt the best thing? And how can you stand out all from all the others? They truly helped us, sir. And also the student coordinators and the faculty there. they were the splendid experience, sir.
So it's good to hear that you had a nice experience there, and not only experience in terms of your participation, but your idea also got extended from one utility to many others. So that's nice to hear. So guys, now tell me about your future plans. What do you think you want to do with this innovation of yours? How do you want to apply it further in your life? Maybe you want to monetize it, or try and get a startup going. So any plans for the future?
Yes, sir. Presently, we are working on the data sets to get more accurate than the previous results. And now we are planning to know whether the fingerprints can be do more than like blood group and muscle strength, and moreover, and like
Generic
Gen-
diseases like
yes,
those and also some cancers like that. Any other like a fingerprint, can a fingerprint be identified with any other diseases? We are actually trying to gain more knowledge about this, sir. And also, we actually want to spread this idea to various organizations.
So that's nice to hear. So should we be expecting that in the coming few months, or maybe a couple of years, we will be seeing this thing in practice in various hospitals and diagnostic labs?
Yes, sir, for sure. We're actually planning for it, sir. Like we actually want to collect more and more data so that we can give our people a more accurate feel, and even in emergency situations also.
So that's nice to hear, guys. I'm sure you are going to help the diagnostics community quite a lot with this innovation of yours. And very soon we'll be seeing, the actual usable models of your innovation across the country in various, health departments and other places where many of the people like us will benefit from this. So great work, guys, and congratulations once again on winning the SIH. And we wish you all
Thank
the
you,
best
sir.
with your innovation, and we wish that you do the right thing in the right manner and take this out to the world and make this world better and healthy. Thank you so much for joining
Thank you,
today.
sir. Hoping so.
The idea of using fingerprints for blood group recognition and fitness diagnostics is fascinating. We hope that with further research, validation, and development, it will soon be implemented.